I still have my makeup on. I changed to a new outfit. And I got my Toys R Us toy because I did good. I have my Toys R Us bag. Toys R Us. And I got 3 medals, so I got 3 toys. Let's see it. See you guys later. Bye! Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna be opening my things. Let's start. Which one should I start? Let's start with this. God, this is one of my favorite things. Yum yum yum, bread pan for my snack. Oh my god.
Who gave you that?
This is like Naveen's snack.
Yeah. Who gave you that?
This is from Therese. My favorite, guys. Barbara. This is what I got, guys. So let's do this one. Okay. We have this and this. And we have this. We have these. We have these. And we have these. Okay. That's all here. Okay. Now my candies are here. I see in my bag here. Okay, that's the case good thing. We have Mighty Boost. We have Adorables. So let's cut this off. Second layer. Open. You open this. Look! Let's open it.
You need to show them.
This is what I got.
You like open it like this way so they can see. First one.
Okay.
First door. The first door.
First door is this door.
Let's see what's inside.
There's supposed to be like numbers. We got a blind bag. Look. I need scissors. We got, this is what I've been wanted. It's this cute little elephant. Okay, let's drop it right here. And then let's put beside the carrot. Okay, next one is this one. No, this one. God, it's like from my, from Rapunzel. Yeah, let's put it right here at the other side. Okay, next one is this one. This is what I got. Look at this soft food. Look. Feel it, mommy, feel it. Okay, let's put it beside this guy. So excited. Let's open next this door. Oh, look what I got. Let's put this beside this elephant. Okay. Next big door. This. Look. Of course, I can open it. Oh, no. It's Daisy the duck. Rapunzel. Yeah, Rapunzel. Let's open this up. So we got it open. Let's take it out. Scissors, please. We're gonna take out this out. Okay, take it. Oh my god. It's good. Where's the character? See, we can stack these together. Mommy, we can stack these together.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
See, you can stack these together, guys. Open this, get this out, and here we have the partner with Eugene. Oh, well, let's see. Look what we got.
We have like
Accessories. We have this.
like a very small. What's this?
That's a lantern.
A lantern?
Yeah. see what's pricey.
We like, and we have like a very cute little flower.
And you have this
Focus,
one.
focus, focus, focus. Yee.
Whee!
There.
There. Let's put the. It's like a
Twist.
door, but you twist, and it.
And then when you open it, this is what's inside. Show them. Yay! It's really cute.
Wait.
Mix and match.
I have a push me up. So let's open it. How many memories do we have? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
It was all to you, Mom.
Oh my god, this is really good smell. Oh, wow.
Give me.
Come here, come here. We have this. Let's open it.
Oh, the good
What?
smell. I think this is for Mamina. Yay! Can I have this one, Wayne?
We share.
Oh my god, this is really cute.
Mommy, you cannot have it by yourself.
What's the name of
We
this?
need to share.
What's the name of this?
Where's
Disney
it?
Pops?
Oh. Oh.
Where's the? Here.
Oh my god, I like the confetti. It all went
Yeah.
to you.
Yeah, because it's facing to me. Which one is it? So, this is the rare. This is ultra rare.
We got the
So
orange.
cute. And this one is common. Here.
Mommy, look, she's.
Subway.
Oh, why can't I clean this all up?
You say bye na to your vlog.
Bye.
Don't forget to what?
Subscribe to our channel. I'm playing now. So, it's my channel. Today, I'm going to open Shopkins. Small ones. And then, bigger ones. First thing first, let's go with the small one. I think I need some scissors. It's Shopkins Star one. Let's take this out. Hey. Okay. Get up. So we got the star one, as you see. So let's get the star out. So as you see, we got the star here. Now it's time to open it. We'll get the small doll out first. See the small doll. Okay. She will sit down. So she'll sit there. Now she. Guys, I got it open. Don't worry. So there's something under too here. Mom, there's something under here. There's a checklist. There's something here. Let's open the down part. See, there's these ones. And there's also, of course, this one. So let's see what are they doing in here. Oh my god, these are the collect series. So the one that I got is, I got this princess.
Just press.
So guys, what's inside? We have a flying bag. I love one of these flying bags. I don't want you to watch this. But look!
Can I open
And then
this?
this one can move.
Can I open this?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh.
What's the name of this doll?
I don't know.
And this is the pink one.
Mommy, come here. So they don't know you.
No.
This is what's inside. And this is inside. So the mirror. Okay. This one can move. And this one could open. And then something suspicious seemed here. Let's close it up. And then let's open the blind bag. Look. Hey, look.
Wow.
Time to open the biggest thing ever. And look.
What inside the slime?
Okay, so guys, already open it. So you're gonna get the locker out. The blue one. So this is the best toy ever. So it's time to open it. So we need to find. So recording, we need to find these. Okay, let's find it. Found one strawberry. Can you see it? It's here. Oh, you can see the strawberry. Whoever gets the strawberry was here, comment down below. Catch it.
First go.
Wait, that's in case you got this. That's in case if you scratch it, not like that.
So Liwei
You
scratch
can. If you scratch it faster, it will not do like that. But there's a code here. See?
Oh yeah. But don't watch there. This is the first one.
So that's the first.
Like a paw. So
No,
that's...
let's do that. Oh my goodness! There's a wine bag. Look. So guys, I opened it just this time. I'm sorry that you feel tired. And so look, you can open this cage. And then you can move this. And you can here's the doll. And then and then let's read it. Once upon a time, there was a little girl. So bye guys.